Hello everyone, welcome back to English Trend. Today we're talking about one of the trickiest parts of English, prepositions. Let's dive in. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is using the wrong preposition. Let's go over some common errors. Common mistake 1. Interested on instead of interested in. I am interested on learning English. I am interested in learning English. Remember, we always say interested in when talking about our interests. Common mistake 2. Married with instead of married to. She is married with a doctor. She is married to a doctor. Common mistake 3. Depend of instead of depend on. It depends of the situation. It depends on the situation. Depend on is the correct form. Another common mistake is adding extra prepositions where they aren't needed. Example 1. Discuss about instead of discuss. Let's discuss about the project. Let's discuss the project. Discuss already includes the meaning of talking about something, so about is unnecessary. Example 2. Enter in instead of enter. She entered in the room. She entered the room. Enter already means to go inside, so in is extra. Prepositions are also important in phrasal verbs. If you use the wrong one, the meaning can change completely. Example 1. Look for versus look at. Look for means to search for something. I'm looking for my keys. Look at means to direct your eyes towards something. Look at this beautiful painting. Example 2. Listen to versus hear. We always say listen to when paying attention to sounds. I love listening to music. But hear just means that we perceive a sound. I heard a strange noise. Now that you know these common mistakes, let's test your knowledge. I'll show you a sentence and you try to correct it. Example 1. She's good in math. Correct answer, she's good at math. Example 2. It depends of the weather. Correct answer, it depends on the weather. Great job. Keep practicing, and soon these prepositions will feel natural. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. See you next time.